Japan is a fascinating and unique country located in East Asia. Known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. Japan is a popular destination for tourists from around the world. From the bustling metropolis of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, Japan offers something for everyone. Japan's culture is deeply rooted in tradition, and many of its customs and practices have been passed down for centuries. Some of the country's most famous cultural exports include sushi, anime, and martial arts, and these have all become popular around the world. One of Japan's most distinctive features is its cuisine. Japanese food is known for its use of fresh, seasonal ingredients. And its emphasis on simplicity and presentation. From ramen and sushi to tempura and yakitori, Japanese cuisine is diverse and delicious. And it's no wonder that it has become so popular around the world. Japan is a country that is renowned for its unique cuisine, which has become increasingly popular around the world in recent years. From sushi to ramen, there is something for everyone in Japanese cuisine. However, traditional Japanese food is still deeply rooted in the country's culture and history, and it remains an important part of daily life in Japan. One of the most iconic Japanese dishes is sushi, which is made from vinegared rice and a variety of toppings, such as fish, vegetables, and egg. Sushi is typically served in small pieces, often accompanied by soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Sushi restaurants can be found throughout Japan, from high-end establishments to casual conveyor belt sushi shops. Another popular Japanese dish is ramen, which is a type of noodle soup that typically includes a rich broth, noodles, and a variety of toppings, such as pork, eggs, and vegetables. Another popular Japanese dish is ramen, which is a type of noodle soup that typically includes a rich broth, noodles, and a variety of toppings, such as pork, eggs, and vegetables. Ramen is a staple of Japanese fast food, and it can be found at restaurants and food stalls throughout the country. Other traditional Japanese dishes include tempura, which are deep-fried seafood and vegetables, udon, which are thick wheat noodles served in a soup or broth, and yakitori, which are grilled skewers of chicken or other meats. In addition to these classic dishes, Japan is also known for its unique cuisine styles, such as kaiseki and izakaya. Kaiseki is a formal, multi-course meal that typically features seasonal ingredients and delicate preparation.